Hi everybody, welcome back. So I have another real quick video. Got a little shout out to do and a stash ad, and I'm going to show you some new paint that I found. Probably not new to you guys, but I thought maybe you might like to see it. So to start off with, we've got Charlie Mack Model Works, all things styrene. So if you're not subscribed to Charlie Mack, go do that. Charlie is a fantastic model builder, a pillar of the community. What can I say? I mean, he is just amazing. Go watch his stuff. Catches constitutional builds on Friday. Those videos are wonderful. The work that he's doing on that project. All his other builds are amazing. Thank you, Charlie, for the kind words on the back of this. I do appreciate that, and keep up the great work, and I'll keep supporting you, pal. So there you go, Charlie Mack. Go subscribe if you aren't. Okay, next, I don't know if anybody has seen these yet or not. I haven't seen anybody actually talk about them yet. I was at Michael's Craft Store here in Hillsboro, Oregon, and my wife wanted to pick up some yarn, and I was over perusing the model section, and I saw these, and they are Testors Color Shift paints. So this is the base coat, this is the gloss black, so this is what you need to put down first onto whatever it is you're going to put the color shift paint on. And then here's the color shift. So this particular one is turquoise waters. And from everything that I haven't found much, there is not a whole lot online about these things. I believe that they can be thinned with water. So they are acrylic based. So I'm going to try these out. I'm going to do a spoon test on them. And then I'll let you guys see what happens, and I'll tell you how I thinned them out. YouTube wise, so far, I didn't do a whole lot of digging, but so far I only found one other person who did a video a couple of weeks ago about it. He thinned the stuff with water, and it looked like it worked. But we'll see it. Maybe I'll try that ultimate thinner and see how that works with this stuff. This particular one is Purple Sunrise, so I thought that might look cool. So yeah, we'll give it a shot. The one thing this does say is to allow this to dry for 24 hours before you do anything else with it. So yeah, let paint dry for 24 hours before applying the color shift top coat. So we'll give it a shot, see what happens. I'm kind of interested as to whether or not you can actually use like Tamiya's gloss black, or could you like splash this paint, this gloss black, which it's lacquer based, but I'm wondering whether or not it would work or not. Anyway, give it a shot and see what happens. I'll try to do that sometime this week so you guys can see that. All right, so that was those. Now, a couple of stash ads. So I got this in the mail from Andy's Hobby Headquarters. So it's a BMW 2002 Ti, the 1969 Monte Carlo rally car, limited edition by Hasegawa. I have not done a rally car like this. It was on sale, so I decided to pick it up and try it. So yeah, we'll see what happens. And it does say it's limited edition. I don't know why it's limited, but it's limited. So there's just some of the, not a whole lot in the way of box art on it. Oh wait, here's a better view of the car itself. So we'll give it a shot in 1/24th scale. Now, the other thing that I got, which I got off of eBay, is this. This Revell 1/24th Ferrari 612. Scaglietti. Yeah, Skyli E.T. The G-L-I sounds like Y when you pronounce it in Italian, and my tongue just won't roll with it today. Anyway, so there's that. Nice looking car. I like the body color. It's a nice blue. Again, I got this off of eBay. It's actually somebody from Hawaii, and the shipping was actually very fast. I think I won the auction on Monday and I had it Thursday. So very nice, and looks like some decent detail on the interior, on the engine on this. Let's see what else is on here. Yeah, not much of anything else detail wise or photos. So there's that. So again, just a real quick video. Just wanted to show you guys these things, and then also let you know about Charlie Mac. So if you're not subscribed, go check out Charlie Mac's channel, and good guy, Charlie. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Talk to you all real soon. Everybody have a great weekend, and hope everybody's safe. Bye.